Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to select Afterpay as a payment option. Let's get straight into it. Now at online checkout, what you want to do is to add the item that you want to purchase to your cart, and then proceed to checkout and select your shipping options, and then you want to select Afterpay as your payment method. You can create a new Afterpay account or just log into your existing account and confirm your payment schedule and complete your purchase. Now for in-store checkouts, what you want to do is to inform the cashier that you want to use Afterpay as your payment method. You need to provide your mobile phone number or email address to the cashier and receive a payment schedule via SMS or email, and then just confirm your payment schedule and complete your purchase. Now for mobile app checkouts, what you want to do is select Afterpay as your payment method within the mobile app, and just log into your existing Afterpay account and confirm your payment schedule and complete your purchase. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to select Afterpay as a payment option. Hope you guys found the video useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.